In the late 1800s, Swami Vivekananda said that science is fundamentally about finding unity. He spoke of physical individuality as an illusion, long before quantum mechanics even existed. Before Einstein, before Bohr, before any of the discoveries that would shatter our classical understanding of reality. Begging the question, what did he see that we're only now beginning to understand through physics? Vivekananda's metaphor of an unbroken ocean of matter mirrors the essence of quantum field theory. In this view, particles are not isolated entities, but localized excitations within fields that encompass all of space. Matter, then, is not a collection of independent building blocks, but rather dynamic patterns within a continuous field. This aligns with Vivekananda's idea that perceived boundaries are functional, not fundamental. A concept echoed in quantum physics, where individuality is seen as emergent, not intrinsic. Classical physics told us everything was separable. You could isolate one object from another to study it independently. Then quantum mechanics came along and shattered that worldview. Entanglement shows particles remain interconnected regardless of distance. Wave functions describe systems as probabilities rather than certainties. In Advaita Vedanta, the philosophy Vivekananda taught, individuality is temporary. It's an expression of one underlying self. Similarly, quantum physics suggests separateness is not fundamental, but an emergent property. The boundaries we perceive, they're functional, useful for navigating daily life, but not fundamental to reality itself. Vivekananda's assertion that science seeks unity mirrors modern physics' relentless quest for unification. We aspire to develop a grand unified theory that reconciles gravity with quantum mechanics, as we continue our quest for a comprehensive theory of everything. In Advaita, the universe doesn't get created from nothing. It manifests from Brahman, which remains unchanged. Quantum physics has its own version of this. Vacuum fluctuations show us that particles emerge from what we used to think was empty space. And then there's the observer problem. In quantum mechanics, the act of measurement affects the system. Vivekananda's view that Advaita applies unity to awareness suggests that if science dissolves material separateness, Vedanta dissolves psychological separateness. Vivekananda said, "Science is nothing but the finding of unity." And now, more than a century later, that statement feels less like mystical poetry and more like profound foresight. Quantum physics reveals a world where matter isn't solid, where everything connects through underlying fields. While physics uncovers unity in matter, Advaita declares unity in being. Different methods, different languages, but one converging horizon. Subscribe for more explorations into the converging paths of science and spirituality. Like, share, and join us on this journey of discovery.